Don't fall behind. Mastering your classes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and help you master its nuances. Today, we're tackling a phrase that's especially relevant to students: fall behind in class. Understanding this phrase is crucial not just for academic success, but also for navigating the educational journey with confidence. Let's explore what it means, why it happens, and how to avoid it. Fall behind in class refers to the situation where a student is not keeping up with the course material or assignments as expected. This can mean not understanding the lessons, missing homework, or being unable to participate in class discussions effectively. It's a common experience, but one that can have significant implications on a student's learning and grades. There are several reasons why students might fall behind in class. Lack of understanding. Sometimes, the material is challenging, and without the right support, a student can quickly feel lost. Absences. Missing classes can make it hard to catch up, especially if the lessons build on each other. Procrastination and poor time management. Putting off assignments or not managing time wisely can lead to a backlog of work. Personal issues. Health, family, or emotional challenges can interfere with a student's ability to focus on schoolwork. 1. Stay organized. Keep track of assignments, deadlines, and class schedules in a planner or digital calendar. 2. Seek help early. If you're struggling with the material, ask for help from teachers, tutors, or classmates before it's too late. 3. Attend all classes. Make it a priority to attend every class, and if you must miss one, get the notes from a classmate and catch up as quickly as possible. 4. Set a study schedule. Dedicate specific times for studying and homework. Breaking your work into manageable chunks can make it less overwhelming. 5. Stay engaged. Participate in class discussions and activities. Engaging with the material actively can help solidify your understanding and memory. Remember, falling behind in class is something many students experience, but it's not irreversible. By taking proactive steps and utilizing the strategies we've discussed, you can keep yourself on track and even excel in your studies. We hope this video sheds light on how to navigate your educational path more smoothly. Keep pushing forward, and don't hesitate to reach out for support when you need it. Until next time, happy learning!